Here, give you guys a little video on this thing. I've been working on this, painting parts on this for like 3 years now. This is an old Model A pickup. The guy that owns it actually built all this wood stuff for it. He hand built these doors, hand built the back of the cab. He's a woodworker. Just gorgeous work. Gorgeous. So every part on this thing I painted so far, so it's basically is what I've been doing is painting parts, and he's been putting them on, painting parts, he's been putting them on. And about 6-8 months ago we went to set the fenders on it, which we didn't paint those yet, the front fenders, and they didn't fit. Nothing fit on the car. We'll come to find out the whole front frame on this thing was bent over 2 inches, so nothing would fit. Here's the hood for it. I still got to buff the hood. I got to buff the front fenders yet. Tell me this thing isn't gorgeous. It's dusty from sitting in here. I just kind of gave it a little wipe down. But like I said, I got to wet sand and buff the fenders yet. They got a lot of dirt in them. So if it tells you how bad these fenders really were, he brought me another set. They're back here. I'll show you. He brought me 2 sets of fenders, and we couldn't decide which set of fenders to fix. So he brought me this set, and then he brought me the other set. And the only reason why I fixed the set that's on the car is because they didn't have the pop riveted patches. I had to cut, move, bend, tweak a ton of metal on these things. But this is pretty much the same condition as what the fenders are on that car now. So it's taken me months, like months, just a little bit here and there during some free time trying to get these fenders to actually fit, line up. I had to cut the backs of them. This is before we even knew the frame was bent. I had to cut the backs of them and tweak the backs of them on the other side. I mean, just insane. They're fitting pretty damn good now. Place is a mess. One-man band, and I am always busy. It's always a full house. All the fun stuff here. Zoom back for you a little bit. There you go. She's a beaut. She is a beaut. There, a little video for you to check out. So the cowl panel and the hood are both the dark green. He wanted me to try to match up a green. He brought me a paint chip book, and he's like, this is the green that I want. Obviously jet black on the rest of it. So I hand mixed him some green, and that's what we came up with, and it's damn close to the chips. But he's done a beautiful job putting this thing together. Hopefully I'm going to have it out of here the next week or so. Just doing some assembly on it today for a little while. Going to try to just get the hood, final fit on the hood, final fit on the grill. Been bolting the fenders on. And yeah, she's a beaut. Well, y'all have a goody. I'm out. Off.